Hi! So today I have a new unboxing video. I have 3 items to unbox. So this is the first one. Let's open it. I ordered this from Shopee. So this is the reversible plush toy blind box. So it's in the Labubu series. Ayan. It's actually a pouch for AirPods, if I'm not mistaken. Pero wala akong AirPods, so we'll see how we'll use this one. So for this series, meron siyang 6 designs and 1 secret. Let me see kung ano yung maganda dito. Parang gusto ko yung Thai Coco or Labubu. Yan. Ito sila. Okay. So, actually, I don't know. Is it an old series? Pero, ayan. Hindi ko matanong. Anyway, let's open it. It's a plush toy. So, let's see what we'll get. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Malaki pala siya. Parang yung ulo ng yung Crybaby na cheer up. Medyo ganun yung laki niya. So, this one is Yaya. So, purple yung labas niya. Is it a happy face? I don't know. We'll check the reverse side. Ano to? Have to squish the face back. Okay. So, the reverse side, ito siya. Kulay parang brown or black. Tapos parang naughty face. So, this is what we got. And then, ito yung card niya. Ganda yung card. The Monsters Party. Yaya. Okay. That's the first one. And then, the second one, actually, it's not a blind box. Kasi alam mo na yung laman niya. So, this is the Crying Again series. It's a vinyl face plush pendant. So, it's Crying Again. So, it has 6 types. So, ito siya, yung 4. And then, may 4 pa din. And then, may 2 secret. Okay. So, we'll unbox it. We'll open it lang dun sa sa ilalim. So, what I got was ito. What a Frog. Parang sticker yung ano niya. Yung card. Kasi What a Frog yung ano ko eh. Yung figure. So, ayan. Buti binenta sa akin nila Steph at Steve. So, ito na siya. Ayan. Crying Again. Wala dito yung frog. So, this is yung parang honeybee, si Alice, yung pink. So, we'll open it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. How cute. How cute ng baby. I think compared sa Labubu, mas malaki yung vinyl na portion kesa dun sa malambot. Malaki yung face niya. Look at this kitty. Yan. Pink yung ano niya. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to use this. Don't cry. That's the second one. And then the last one. Sabi ni Steph, wag ko raw i-unbox. So, mas lalo ko na curious. So, we'll unbox it right now. This is, ayan, gift sa akin ni Steph. Sabi niya, alam niyang gusto ko raw to. Sana wala ka pa nito. Yan. So, akala ko demo yung binigay niya. Tapos sabi niya, wag ko daw i-unbox. So, na-curious ako. So, nung sinake ko siya, wala siyang plastic na cover. So, I don't know kung ano to. Anyway, ayan. Kasi yung pagka-close niya, parang hindi pa siya na-open. Kaya akala ko lang. It's demo. Pero hindi. Okay. I'll take this. Thanks, Steph. Ano kaya ito? I don't know if I will open it here or saan na lang. Let's open it na lang dito. Pero parang glue eh. Naka-glue na siya. Open na lang natin sa ilalim. Somehow, nadikit ni Steph. Hello. Naka-bubble wrap siya. Oh my gosh, ano to? It's another, it's a nesting blind box. So, oh my god, alam ko na to. Ito yung sa 14th anniversary. So, since my favorite is the Crybaby IP, so I really want to get yung, syempre, yung the Fox Spirit. Ayan. Lagi ako natitempt bumili kasi hindi rin nagbebenta nito sa group. Anyway, I think that's what Steph got me. So, we'll unbox it. Oh my gosh, dumami na yung ano ko. crybaby ko. Yun. So, we'll open it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, ang cute, diba? Para pala siyang gumiho. Then, orange yung ano niya. Tapos yun, syempre, umiiyak siya. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Steph. I think it has a stand. Ayun. Ooh, may accessory siya. So, let's put it. So, may stand. Tapos, meron siyang tamaypay. Saan siya? Ang cute. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Steph. Ang cute. Diba? So, ito yung ano na. Ito yung card. It's the Fox Spirit. Tama ba? Gumiho. Yeah. Anyway, that's all for my unboxing. I'll be going to Korea later this week. So, hopefully, makabili rin ako ng baka may mga new drops. So, I'll do unboxing then. But for now, I'm so happy with my crybabies and Yaya. So, bye-bye!